Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool. So where we can create your own content for your research paper, and also you can correct that in that tool itself. So you can correct grammatically, or you can change the sentence in that same tool itself. So this is an important rule related with improving your quality of your research paper and generating a quality research content using this AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available in this particular AI tool. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is Textmetrics. So it is a smart writing assistant. It's a fully augmented writing platform. So this is all about Textmetrics. So you can click here and you can log into your Textmetrics. So here you have to enter these things, which email address, and then you can enter the rest of the information like first name, last name, company, and like that, and then click on I agree. So give on submit. So on give. Next your dashboard will be generated. Here this is the dashboard for your Textmetrics. So here you can see different options: projects, my tasks, organize. You can organize a team, thereby you can separate the work for a team also. So here our objective is that click AI writing assistants, that is content assistants. Here you can see the AI assistant. There are different options available: AI writer, AI topic generator, AI SEO brief generator, next AI images. So these are the important options available with this tool. So I am going to give generate text and then click on SEO. So click on next. So select project by name. So I have given like LMS. So I have already generated a project name. So after that your dashboard will be open like this. So here you can see these are the tasks you can create, and you can give due date for whom you have assigned, like that you can organize here itself. So next one is, this one is generate SEO brief. You can generate the SEO brief. So this is the important option here, ChatGPT. So it will generate ChatGPT, it will generate content like ChatGPT according to the content you will be giving. So prompt you will be giving. As like in ChatGPT, you have to give a prompt here. So thereby it will generate a content for that particular prompt. So just I am giving a general topic. So explain about renewable energy sources, like that I am going to give a general topic. It is not a research topic, a general topic. I am going to give send. So let us see how it will generate the content for our prompt. Here you can see the content is generated for our prompt. So here you can see different types of renewable resources are listed below. So you can copy and paste here, and you can check this for grammatically. So here you can see correct your spelling. You can correct your spelling. So here too many phrases in passive voice, change to active voice by improving readability. So you can change that sentence. So here you can see these are the things related with this paragraph. Here you can see avoid using 4 or more instances of conjunctions in a sentence. Try breaking or shortening the sentence. The conjunctions in the sentences which and because. So like that it will generate what are the flaws in this particular content generator. Thereby you can change the content accordingly using this tool itself. So you can rewrite the tool. So you have seen the before option, that content rewriter. So in that content rewriter you can rewrite the options. So these are the important options available in this tool. So not only you can generate and check the content, if you are not generated also you can check your research article content using this tool. So I am going to delete this one. Here I have copied a random content from the internet. So here you can see here, so long sentence, too many long sentences, consider breaking some of them into shorter sentences to improve readability. So next one is sentence is too long, consider breaking the sentence shorter than 20 words. Next you can see where it is taken also. It is just taken from a Wikipedia. So like that it will generate the flaws available in this particular content. Thereby you can improve the readability of this content and quality of the content using this tool. So this is an important option available in this tool. So next one is AI writer. So you can see you can write also, that is SEO, you can click and then you can SEO meta description. So like that you can give the page title and you can start writing. Next, AI images, create an image from description. So you can give any prompt that installation of tidal plant power generation in C. Like that I am going to give image style. So you can choose your image style. So I am just using a photograph. Additional style, portrait, black and white, like that it will be given. So I am giving photorealistic. I am going to give generate. Let us see how it will generate image using this input prompt. Here you can see your image is generated. This is a tidal power plant installed here. You can download. So and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different images is generated. So I have given photorealistic. So I am just opening for your view. You can see here this is the image is generated from this AI. So you can make use of this input prompt and also you can generate your images using this tool also. So next one is royalty free image. You can describe image and you can free without any copyrights. So thereby you can use that in any of your blog post or any research articles or any article you are going to create. So these are the important options available in this tool. So I am going to again going to click home. So these are the important options available. So you can make use of this option in this AI tool and you can use that for your improving quality and research article, quality of your research article, and you can make a grammatically right also. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.